add more depth to your image with layers. Try shooting your main object through other items like leaves, grass, anything that can add a frame and additional layers to your image. Like the picture here. Instead of just taking a picture of a cat, I took a step back and found such an angle where green plants would be in the foreground. Because they are so close to the camera and are not in focus, they are blurry, and instead of distracting from main subject, they draw more attention to it by creating a soft frame. They also work nicely with eyes of the cat in terms of color. So adding some sort of frame is a good technique to draw attention to your main subject. Here are a few more examples. The image on the left was taken in the park. The composition is made in such a way that green leaves take up the most part of the picture and lead the viewer's eye to the main object, framing the model on the bench. Again, this creates more levels and volume in a picture and makes it more interesting. The image on the right shows a more noticeable frame, which also occupies the majority of the image. Yet, because of its contrast and composition, it actually makes the main object, the red and white chimney, stand out even more. Let's see more examples with layers. In the image on the left, a simple shot with a coffee is more pretty with flowers, especially because some flowers are in focus while others, being too close to the camera, aren't. And together it helps create the depth of an image. The image on the right is a great example how different layers can help to tell a story. First of all, you see the dog looking up, and then you see that cat who sits on the wooden stairs looking back at the dog. And then there are a lot of other objects like box and shovels, creating additional frames and layers. And all of it contributes to an interesting image.